Then let's discuss briefly the format of records. Format of records. What format should these records take? Records can be maintained physically or electronically. For electronic records, one ought to ensure they are easily accessible, secure, and can be readily retrieved and printed, and also readily printable if required by KRA. We have originals of key documents like tax invoices that are crucial, and if originals are lost, one may be required to have certified copies clearly marked as such, and that may be accepted under specific circumstances. So that's the format. It can be physical or electronic. Physical means paper on hard copies. It could also be electronic. That's the format of tax records.